with me, your host, Justine. We're doing our game day series. It's just a great time to have fun. So, what I'm going to do today, we have this sub shop that has been there forever. And they had a sub shop and a hot dog shop. And they only sold two types of subs. They sold a beef, like a steak and cheese sub, and then they sold a special, and the hoagie, actually, it was called hoagie. It was a hoagie. So this is my hoagie dip, because you put out a game day, you have a big sandwich, it's gonna get soggy, the bread is, and it's not gonna taste fresh. So it's kind of like a ham salad that my mom used to do, but instead you use all kinds of things that you would use in a hoagie. And it is really good. I call it a dip. You can call it a hoagie salad. Whatever you want to call, just make sure you get some and eat it. It is so good. Now, as you can see, I have diced up in very, very finely. You could probably put it in your food processor, but I prefer to dice it by hand. I have some ham, pepperoni, provolone cheese, smoked turkey, and some Genoa salami. Over here I have some pepperoncini peppers, some tomatoes that I seeded and got the juice out of, shredded head lettuce, and red onion that I've diced very finely. You want it to dice fine. And then the dressing that I'm going to use to put it together is kind of what they put on the hoagie. So it starts with some red wine vinegar, and I'm going to add some Dijon mustard, and this will help bind it. You can put mayonnaise in here too. I don't. Mark doesn't like mayonnaise, so I don't put mayonnaise in it. I add some oregano and some garlic in there. Garlic powder, nobody wants to get chunks of garlic, and this goes through the dressing much better. Put some salt. Little salt, little pepper, and honey. They don't put honey on the sub, but Mark likes a little bit of sweetness. You can leave the honey out if you'd like, but Mark likes the sweetness. Now, I have that, and I'm going to add my olive oil, and I'm going to shake it up and make a dressing. Now, I've done 1 part vinegar, red wine vinegar that I had in here, 1 part vinegar, and 2 parts oil. Just shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your, not booty, what is this? Shake your dressing, shake your dressing. Oh, let me see. Just want a little taste of it. A little bit of sweet. You can taste the oregano. The more it sits, the more the flavors marry. So let's say you're having a game day. You can dice all of this up the day before. Right before your guests come over, I would mix it up by batches, because if you put all the dressing in with all the meat and all of that, it will get soggy, and you don't want it to get soggy. So you can cut everything up and then just add it together. So I'm gonna add some cheese, some pepperoni, like the first half. See, it's like it has everything that a hoagie has. And you can keep this meat. So let's say you don't eat it all and you haven't mixed it all up, you can keep the lunch meat and then have it for dinner. And you can just put it on a sub bun. But what I'm going to do is I am going to turn around and mix up as much as I can. The lettuce I shred real fine. Here we go. Now I'm going to dress it up. Put a little, you don't want to put a lot. You get it to the moisture you like. A little bit more salt. literally, it took no time to mix it all together and make the dressing. I did it right on air. The time that it takes is probably the dicing and the chopping, but if you have kids, put them to work. And you can always do this, like I said, in a food processor, but you're not going to get little squares. You'll get little, like, it'll not be as nice. So here is the test. You serve it up just like this with the provolone right in there. I guess if you wanted, you could toast your bread. I can taste everything. All the different meats. I used some sweet meats, like the ham was a honey ham. And I can taste the honey ham, but I can also taste the little bit of honey I put in there. It's not cloyingly sweet at all. It is so good. And I can taste the smokiness from the turkey. And a little bit, that pepperoncini, while it's not hot, it gives it a little bit of a vinegary taste. It is very good. You have to try this. Like I said, don't mix it all up. Just put it together as you need it. Here you can see I've got a little bowl, but this will be gone in no time. This will be gone. Buy lots of bread. You can also, they're already cut, the little rounds at the store. So you can just go buy the little rounds at the store and just put them out as you need it. Or you could toast them, but I like them like this. I like the soft bread. So remember, for the recipe, the directions on this recipe, go to www.justinthekitchen.com and go to my YouTube channel. You guys haven't been going to my YouTube channel and joining. There's a little button down in the bottom and it'll say subscribe. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you leave comments on what you want, on ideas you have. I will see you later. God bless. Have a great game day. Bye.